Hagasing thoding jong tayo baladap ka kertong ikun election jong ka parti NPP ka Dr. AMPAREEN lengdo kalalaban pendap ya kejinglet THEP kerteng banlong kum ka kertong ikun election MP na ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ka balalong HAKHMAT jong returning officer ka East Khasi Hills. Hagide kejinglet THEP kerteng la senran ya Dr. AMPAREEN lengdo da kurim jong i ubak fantin lagadong nangta National General Secretary ke NPP ubak sngewbha langdhar rengkat ru ubak Presiden ke NPP Meghalaya ubak Perstun Tensong ubak penya cingsim ubak CEM ke HADC lembat kiwai-kiwai. La penlong ru da kejing duai ke bakerpang haswa baka kertong kan mi na office terkam jong kaseng haswa ban LEIT THEP kerteng ha ke badagi HAJAR NGUT PAIDBAH ke lawan ban senran lang ban pen i kejing kersan ya ke kertong jongki.
Is already out. We have already launched the main schemes of the NPP way ahead of the announcement of elections in the state of Meghalaya. In case there is requirement, we will share this document again with you. Please refer to the document that was launched at the time when the Honorable Chief Minister launched the CM LEIT project. And the project and our manifesto clearly indicates few sectors which we will be focusing our attention on, and we have said that we will also be bringing out appeals to the people.
Yang suruh po. Yang suruh.